How brutal the Las Vegas summer can be, and for many in our community, access to something as simple as clean water can be life-changing.
A few moments later.
Hi, I'm John. I'm here with the MCA, a bunch of motorcycle clubs in Southern Nevada. I heard that the Salvation Army had a water shortage. I guess it's before the summer heat comes, like we had last year. Anyway, the MCA's answering their call. We are donating over 1,000 bottles of water to the Salvation Army. And as soon as everybody gets here, we'll be on our way to deliver the water.